Welcome to CodePlan Software. It makes your business smarter and speedier. Today we are going to understand how to create a new item using icon. Other way to import or create items in CodePlan is by using import functionality, which we have covered in other video. Item is a building block in CodePlan software which is used in every module. This is our home page. Move your cursor on menu and all the modules are listed below. Click on items and select view modify option. By default in CodePlan, all the categories are listed out based on their different manufacturers in alphabetical order. So there are two main classifications of item, which are user created items and CodePlan managed and maintained items. Any user cannot modify CodePlan managed and maintained items. In main category of ABB, ARC guard flush mounting set is CodePlan managed item. However, new item 1 is a user created item. To create a new item in existing category, user need to move cursor on category name and click on add new item icon across the category. For example, we are creating a new item in other category and a new item 1 named item appears on screen. To view its attributes, user can either double click on item name or click on edit icon. And all the attributes of item are visible on the right hand side of the screen in separate window bar. Description section, ID is automatically generated field by software. Description is mandatory field to be filled by user. For example, we will insert item description as motor AEDC. Long description is detailed explanation of an item. For example, we are giving catalog number as 1, 2, 3, 4. Make is it's a drop down list to avoid any spelling mistakes while searching manufacturer names. I've covered this section in other video. Prices section has three major prices: list price, discount price, sell price. Labor details, documents, comments, inventory, supplier price are the other sections of item attributes. As of now, we will insert only mandatory or few important details like list price as 45. In description, we will make this item as preferred and click on save. Generated ID by software is visible on screen. To make any modifications further, user can access icons like edit icon to edit any detail of item, web, which is used to gather information regarding item directly from web browser by entering catalog number. Move icon is used to move item from one place to other place. Copy icon is used to copy icon to other categories or subcategories. Bin icon is used to delete item. After clicking on it, a confirm delete message box will pop up on screen. Item is deleted from CodePlan permanently. Hope you are able to create an item in CodePlan now. Thank you for watching this video.